Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to get to know the concept of sum and the parts of an addition equation. The sum of two numbers is what we get when we add the two numbers together. This operation is called summation. The added numbers are called addends, and the result after adding numbers is the sum of the numbers. The plus sign used between two numbers to show that they should be added together. The equal sign shows that what is on one side of the sign is exactly the same value as what is on the other side of the sign. For example, here 2 plus 3 equals 5. We must know that changing the order of addends does not change the sum at all. Also, the equal sign does not always go at the end. It sometimes looks like this too. Now it's time for some workout. You can pause the video, do each exercise yourself, and then check your answer with mine, okay? Let's go. Write a summation for each picture, then solve it. There are two roosters. One more joins them, so it's 2 plus 1, and that equals 3. 5 wasps and 4 more join them. Now it's 5 plus 4, so there are 9 wasps. 4 presents and 3 more. That's 4 plus 3. That's 7 in total. 8 bells and 2 more. It's 8 plus 2. That is 10 in summation. Again, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 2 plus 3 equals 9. And 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals 8. Now, color to match, write the sum, then solve it. Here we have 2 yellow boxes and 2 blue boxes. So we color 2 yellow boxes and 2 blue boxes. Now we have 4 colored boxes in summation. Again, we have 3 yellow boxes plus 3 blue boxes and 3 red boxes. Now we have 9 colored boxes in summation. 1 yellow box plus 4 blue boxes plus 2 red boxes. So we have 7 colored boxes in summation. 1 yellow box plus 7 blue boxes plus 2 red boxes. Now we have 10 colored boxes in summation. Again, 1 yellow box plus 2 blue boxes plus 5 red boxes. Now we have 8 colored boxes in summation. And the last one, we have 3 yellow boxes plus 1 blue box plus 2 red boxes plus 3 green boxes. So we have 9 colored boxes in summation. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you.